I'm Dr. J from Orlando Hair Clinic, and I have Gisette. So we are gonna give you some ideas of what we do here at Orlando Hair Clinic. Currently, we have a special offer going on for hair transplant at $1.99 per graft.
So going or traveling out of the country is great if that's what you choose to do. You have to do what's best for you. But obviously, when you do things in the United States, we here and follow up with you, and it's easy for you to follow up with us. Something goes wrong overseas, now you have to take another flight, go back overseas. There's no liability. Obviously, when you come here, we're gonna care for you for the following year after your procedure, to see you, to check up on you.
They're getting overwhelmed, response is unbelievable. So many people asking if we can match the price for Istanbul or price for India or Turkey or wherever. We cannot make that, we cannot do anything better than what we are doing right now. Obviously, you can Google us and check our reviews, and we have been doing this for I think more than 10-15 years, so
right.
We have the best reputation. People who have any other questions, they can always call us. Yeah, we can schedule a virtual or
in person, over the phone, whatever you see fit.
And most of your questions will be answered. Okay,
yeah, come and visit us.
Thank you.